Model: 66-plate Renault TRAFIC 1.6 DCI 120 business Euro 6 spares OR repairs body, white, panel van mileage, 95,359 MOT, the 18th of January 2024 engine, 1,598 cc R9M DCI 120 transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Coolant is pressurizing head gasket needs replacing gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. New replacement front bumper in the back due to the small damage on the front passenger side of the bumper. I think this reflects how much love the previous owner had for this van. Features: 2 former keepers, electric windows, parking sensors, EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear cap, retail, £7,475. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740111